Hi, this is Elaine at the Pulaski County Public Library. Today I want to show you how to use Libby. It's an app on Overdrive where you can check out books and magazines. Um, if you go to whatever your Play Store is, I have an Android, so it's Google Play, and you type in Libby, it's going to come up with Libby by Overdrive. So you're going to click on that. And mine's already installed, but you would click install and then your little icon is going to look like this. It's a little guy, girl, whatever. It's kind of cute reading a book. So once you get it installed, this is what your icon looks like. So we're going to go there, and there's a couple of things that you can do. This is your main page. You have library down here. This is going to search the library of books. And you have shelf. That's what you have borrowed. There's also loans. Shows what you have holds on. And tags. They have tags you can put like a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Or like little books after it if you've read it and you want to remind yourself of that. Once you get this installed, though, what you're going to do is you're going to have to search to put our library in there. And it's called Indiana Digital Download Center. So I'm just going to do add a library just so that you can see what it looks like when you do the search. You want to make sure that it's the Indiana Digital Download. There are two Pulaski County Public Libraries. One of them is in Kentucky. So once you select this, it's going to have several that you can scroll through. Then it's going to ask for your library card number. Once you get that put in, then you can start searching for whatever you would like. If you come to library, just right down there, this is your home screen, and you can see it says search for a book up here. Try and make it not do funky things on you here. Search for a book, and you can either search by author or title. If you don't want to do it that way, if you just scroll down, it's going to give you some options. It has new books, new and audiobooks, popular books. You can just scroll through and see the different things that they have. Once you get down here, it gives you a list of genres, and you can search that way also if you just want to see what they have by a certain genre. So just to give you a quick how-to, we're going to come up here and do search for a book. I hope I didn't move that too much. And I'm just going to type in John Grisham. And once you start typing, it's going to give you a list of authors. So here's John Grisham. I'm going to select him. Well, if my thing will work right. And we're going to come down here. And so you can see that it says either borrow or place hold. If it says place hold, that means that that book is checked out currently. So it's like putting a reserve on it. So let's do this one over here that says borrow. And it shows that it's linked to your card. And it shows how many books you have on loan and how many you have on hold down here, just so you know. So you click on borrow. And it's going to take a second for it to go through there. And so then you can keep browsing. And if there's something else that you want to pick out, you can go through the search and everything. One thing that they have up here in the corner is a little head. If you click on that, There's a help. There is a Learn Libby. So if you want to go through that, you can check that out. Also, let's hide that. If you come over here to Preferences, you can choose your format, whether you want it in audiobook or ebook. I prefer the ebooks to the audiobooks, so that's how I have mine set. And you can also do audience. So you can do juvenile, young adult, general content, mature content, however you want to do that. That way, if you have young ones that are going to be using this, you'll have age-appropriate content for them. And then you just apply preferences, and it'll go back to your screen there, and then you go back to the library. So that's a quick overview of how to use Libby. One other thing I want to show you real quick is if you go to our library webpage, which again is pulaskicounty.lib.in.us, and this is what our page looks like. Over here on the side is tutorials. If you click there, it's going to bring up different items, but there is one for Overdrive and Libby, and it's taking too long here, but it's coming. There it is. So you come down here, and here it says Overdrive Libby. If you click on that, and you click up here on Lessons, again, I have an Android, so I'm going to click on the Android for Libby. And it's going to show you step by step how to download and how to check out books. If you get magazines and you want to enlarge the page, it shows you how to do all of that. So if you have any questions on it, you can always come to our page and look there. And as always, you can always call the library, and one of us would be happy to help you. Happy reading.